Welcome to the user guide for AT&T ADI and CableFinder. Let's walk through the steps to streamline your ordering process with API-driven serviceability and pricing directly from AT&T. Start by typing in a business name or address. CableFinder instantly generates key details: provider, serviceability description, anticipated installation timeframe, distance, and available products. If the serviceability description is green, click Configure Pricing to access the pricing catalog. If the serviceability description is red, select Request Pricing to engage with your TSD back office team for additional solutions. In the pricing catalog, select the term Toggle the Fiber and choose Main Services. Select either AT&T Managed or Customer Managed. Choose the desired speed to suit your needs. CableFinder will automatically calculate any associated fees. A shopping cart appears on the right-hand side, displaying one-time fees NRC and monthly recurring charges MRC. Generate a quote and label it for easy reference. To email the quote, enter the desired email address. Your quote will download as a PDF. Begin by filling out the necessary customer information fields. Ensure accuracy for smooth processing of your order. Under Service Address Line 2, you have two options. Either enter a unit or suite number if applicable, or confirm that there isn't one. This step ensures precise location identification. Next, continue entering the local on-site, technical, and installation location information. Each detail plays a crucial role in ensuring seamless service delivery. In the handoff interface section, you'll find a drop-down menu. Its default selection dynamically adjusts based on the internet speed chosen on the pricing page. Similarly, in the carrier hotel/data center section, select yes or no from the drop-down menu. The default selection is no, but choose based on your needs. To streamline the process, click the Same As radio buttons. They allow you to carry down the customer information effortlessly, saving you time and reducing errors. Upon confirmation, select Request Contract. Currently, CableFinder does not generate AT&T paperwork for ADI. Requesting the contract will send a request containing the entered customer information to the TSD for processing in AT&T Sales Express system. As the CableFinder user, you will also receive an email with the ordering details. Thank you for watching our step-by-step user guide. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your TSD. If you don't have CableFinder, go to www.cablefinder.net today and request a demo. Happy selling, everyone.